Hello friend, Irasami this side. Now let's move to the next part. Before starting this, I request you to all please like and subscribe my channel because it is totally free. And in my channel, I will cover all the topic related to Java, SQL, and in future I will do data structure in detail. And also I will cover advanced Java. So guys, please like and subscribe and share all the playlist with your friend who is preparing for interview or they are studying in the college. Okay, so let's move to the theory part. Now I'm going to another program, and that program is a in this program I will reverse a sub element, or we can say that I will reverse uh, element in a group. Okay, so firstly create one class for this. Okay, so give name to this class, uh, reverse element in a group. Okay, I will reverse element in a group. In a group. So I created one class here, select main from here and finish it. So class got created, and take one integer array here and initialize with some value. Okay, you can take any number randomly, you can take any number. Okay, so I initialize with some values, and here I will write element method to reverse element. I pass it. Suppose that and I want to reverse in a four group. Okay, is four element in group I want to reverse. Okay, so for better understanding, firstly I explain with this. Okay, so what we will do here, here I will reverse an array in a group of given size. Suppose that given an array ARR and an integer k, and task is to reverse every sub array found by consecutive k elements. Example, suppose that input array, suppose that this one is input array, and here k equal to 3. I want to reverse in a 3 group, so it will output will become 3 group is 1 to 3, so output will become 3 to 1. Again in another 3 group 4 5 6, then in another group it reverse like 6 5 4, in another third group so it reverse like 9 8 7. Okay, for other example I take another uh, array, integer array, in which it contains 8 element, and here I will group it in reverse in a 5 group. So first it will reverse 5 element, so it becomes 5 4 3 2 1, and another 3 will left, so another 3 will reverse like 8 7 6. Here suppose that I take another array, integer array, here it is 6 element, and here I want to reverse only in one group, then it will be same as it is. Okay, suppose that if integer array, here it is 10 element is there, and I want to reverse in a 10th group, so it will reverse these 8 groups. Okay, so it becomes 8 7 6 5 4 3 2. Same this thing I will do in this program. So let's move to the program part. So, and one more thing right here for simplicity, int n equal to array dot length. So I am creating one method here, reverse element, and inside that I will write logic. For better programmer, what they do, they write logic in a separate method. So array, and I pass length here, and I pass group here. Okay, and after calling method, semicolon is compulsory. So what I do, I create method for this. So go above of it, you will get option, then automatic method will get create. Okay, so inside this I will write logic. Firstly, what we will do here, we will use for loop, outer for loop for here a dot length I plus k. Okay, what is the meaning of this? Means sorry, I plus k. So here it will iterate each element, okay, from 0 index, and it will go till array dot length. But what is that condition? And all condition what we do, in most of case it is I plus plus, but here I do I plus k because this zeroth element will jump to the this position, means k means at what group you want to reverse. So here suppose that it is I want to reverse element in fourth group, so it will goes here fourth element 0 1 2 3 4 14th. Okay, meaning of that. Okay, I in last I will explain all the things, then you will get know all the things what I write here. So simply I explain what is the meaning of that. So what after that what we will do, mm, we will use while loop. Now before that, do one thing, I take two pointer. Okay, one is starting pointer I equal to left, but no, left equal to I, two pointer I take here because left is a start from at first index and right will go last index. And here I use math dot min, math dot min, it will goes start index plus k minus 1 and n minus 1. Okay, I'm explaining what is the meaning of that. Means firstly you set for two in pointer, one is I set left, that is starting index, and that starting index will be I. Okay, suppose that it is a start from 0, then suppose that it left will be 0, and right will move up to till where at what group you want to reverse. So here I is 4, so it will goes I plus k. Yes, it is starting from here and it will goes up to I plus 4 means last. Okay, here it is minus 1 because it is start from 0, so it is minus 1, and it is n minus 1 means meaning of this thing is that this will not exceed from this length. Okay, array length. Okay, and I use this thing math dot min, because I using this thing, suppose that k is not multiple of given array. Suppose that here is 4 and here total 4 4 8 11, that is not multiple of 4. If one more element is there, then it is multiple of 4. If it is not multiple of 4, so in that case also it will work. For that example here, what do you see here? Where this one is multiple of 3, then no problem. But in this case here it is not multiple of 5, so remaining we got only 3 element, then remaining 3 element is also got reverse. In that case also it works. So that in this case I use this one, right index is math.min, this thing. Okay, so start from here. While what condition left should not left should be less than right. Okay, if this condition follow, then it will enter this while loop. Before that, write one more thing, temp. Okay, in temp, so temp equal to array of left. So array of left element will store in temporary variable. Okay, and array of right value will goes to array of left value goes to store in a array of right. Okay, and of right equal to temp means left index value goes to the store in a right index value, and that left index value firstly store in a temp, and that left array value will store in a right index value, and that temporary value goes to the store in the right index value, and it will be interchanging. Left index value and right index value will be interchanging until they are meet at the same position. And one more thing, and left index value will move of this line. This left index value will move to the right index value, and this right index value will move to the left index value. So here coding part got completed. Let's check this output is working or not. If output is working, then I will explain again whole the program. Oh, here I didn't print, I forget to print. So for printing, iterating each element of array, so I have to use again for loop, and it will go up to array dot length I plus plus, and then print it. If you want to print in a one line, then remove this ln, print it array of I. So let's check it's working or not. Twelve, 11, 10. Take away, correct it. Here I did. So element is called temporary. Right. That. No. So here it is working fine. So check it. At group 4 it is working 13, 13, 12, 11, 10. Another 4 group 17, 16, 15, 14, and another one. This 3 element is remaining oil, so 20, 19, 18. So I'm explaining again what is the purpose of my program. In this program, we reverse element in a group. Suppose that here given array is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 up to 20. Okay, in this I want to reverse in a group. So here I want to reverse in a 4 group. So firstly this 4 group will reverse, so it becomes 13, 12, 11, 10, and another 4 group will reverse, so it becomes uh, 17, 16, 15 and 4, and another remaining that is less than 4. So remaining 3 element got reverse. Okay, so what we do here, for simplicity I write here int n equal to array dot length. Okay, so no need to write array dot length every time, simply n is enough. And here I write reverse element. In this I pass array, and here n is the length of array and k is the group, in what group we want to reverse. For printing any array element, for that we have to write firstly for group, so that we can get each element of a given array, and printing for printing each group, so I use system.out.println array of I. So it will print every element present in an array. Okay, so let's move to the logic part. So here inside this method reverse element, same thing, I pass array length of array and in what group we want to reverse. So firstly I use for loop, outer for loop. In this for loop we start from 0 index and it will go up to array dot length, and in this in increment decrement part I in starting I want to this value 0 index value jump to the here I equal to I plus k, means in what group we want to reverse. Okay, so first index value got reverse means come at the last position. What is the last position? That k, in what group we want to reverse. Suppose that here in fourth group k is 4, so this 0 index value will move to that from 0 to the that this k equal to fourth. Okay, fourth group. Okay, so for that what I do here, firstly I fix 2 pointer. One pointer is int left equal to I, means that is the starting index, so that this one is left, and int right, this one is right. 4 group here now, so right equal to what is that, math dot min I plus k minus 1. Okay, minus 1 is because here it start from 0, so minus here, and it will goes up to, so here is it is 4 groups, so 0 plus 4, so I plus k. Okay, and here n minus 1, n minus 1 means it will not exceed than this range. Okay, n minus 1, and I use math dot min, so if it is not multiple of 3, in that case it will also work. Okay, and in temp for a temporary storage of element, so, so this is for grouping purpose, inside this I use while loop. In while loop, we use in this we will means here element will be swap, and it will be swap until unless when both the pointer meet. Okay, so while left is less than, if this condition is followed, then it will enter this loop. So always always left should be less than the right. Okay, right pointer. So uh, if this condition, so it will come to the this loop. So array of left means this value firstly I store in a temporary variable, and that will store in a temporary variable, and this array of left value contains the array of right value. So firstly it was 10, so that 10 will goes to the temporary variable, and this 13 value will come to the left position. This right position value come to the left position, because of this reason this 10 got